Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to add Mailchimp to your website. Integrating Mailchimp is a smart move for any website owner looking to grow their email list and connect with their audience. It allows you to capture leads directly from your site, automate follow-ups, and keep your subscribers engaged. We will cover setting up your audience, designing effective forms, and embedding them seamlessly onto your web pages. This guide will help you enhance your marketing strategy with clear, actionable steps. First, let's set up your Mailchimp audience, which is where you'll manage all your contacts. After logging in, head to the Audience section and select Create Audience. It's best practice to have just one main audience, using tags and segments to categorize your subscribers. This keeps your data organized and allows for highly targeted campaigns. Remember to fill in your contact information, ensuring compliance with anti-spam regulations, and consider enabling double opt-in for better engagement. Now, let's create the forms that will capture your website visitors' information. Mailchimp provides various options, such as embedded forms that sit directly on a page or pop-up forms that appear dynamically. Go to Sign Up Forms within your audience, then select Embedded Forms or Pop-up Forms. You can customize fields, colors, and messages to align with your website's look and feel. Once your form is perfect, Mailchimp will generate the HTML code you need for embedding. With your form designed and code generated, it's time to embed it onto your website. Simply copy the HTML code provided by Mailchimp and paste it into the backend of your web page. If you use a content management system like WordPress, dedicated plugins can simplify this process significantly. For optimal results, keep your forms concise, asking for only essential information like an email address and perhaps a first name. This approach often leads to a higher conversion rate and a growing subscriber list.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.